Are you looking for a quick and easy way to convert PNG images into JPG format without installing any software? You're in the right place. Problem: PNG images often have larger file sizes because they support transparency and high-quality graphics. While they're great for editing, they aren't always the best choice for websites, email attachments, social media, or saving storage space. Many image converters also require downloads, registrations, or paid subscriptions. Solution: introducing Softaken PNG to JPG Online Free, a fast, secure, and completely free online tool that converts your PNG images into high-quality JPG files in just a few clicks. No installation, no sign-up, and no technical skills required. Benefits of PNG to JPG: private and secure, safe image conversion. Free to use, no cost, no sign-up, no installation, works in any browser. Instant results: fast PNG to JPG conversion. High quality, preserves image clarity. All devices, works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. How to use. Step 1. Upload your PNG image. Drag and drop your PNG image or browse your device to upload it securely. Step 2. Adjust settings. Choose output format, dimensions, quality, or other options in the panel. Step 3. Download result. Preview your converted image if available. Then download your JPG file instantly to your device. Save time and convert your PNG images into JPG format effortlessly with Softaken PNG to JPG Online Free. Visit the Softaken Online Document Toolkit today. Start converting your images in seconds and enjoy fast, secure, and high-quality image conversion completely free. Thanks for watching.